Your new Mazda is available with Apple CarPlay integration, which is a smarter way to access some of the features and apps of your iPhone while driving. That includes using Siri to help perform certain tasks while you do the driving. You can find destinations, listen to and send text messages, place phone calls, or play your favorite music. You can even ask Siri for current weather conditions, stock prices, or upcoming events on your calendar. Once your iPhone is connected to the Mazda Connect system, accessing Siri is quite easy. Just as a reminder, Siri replaces the Mazda Connect voice recognition whenever your iPhone is plugged into the appropriate USB port. You can just press the talk button on the steering wheel. You can find Siri using the Apple CarPlay interface by scrolling the commander knob until the home button in the bottom left corner is selected. Press and hold down the commander knob to activate Siri. Apple CarPlay with Siri makes it easy to stay connected while you drive.